Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to actually teach you guys how to distress your boring ass leather jacket and make it badass looking, like a post-apocalyptic Mad Maxy feel and whatnot and whatevs. So just want to let you know, what the fuck just happened? I've always been interested in the post-apocalyptic clothing style, and I've always wanted to make my own, and I finally tried and attempted to do a couple things. I learned it from Nuclear Snail. Awesome page. The link will be on the comments below. But if you guys want to stick around to watch my video and how I did my how I fixed my jacket, do it up. So here's a before and after picture of your jacket. You know, it's like typical and boring. It's all black. Oh, look at me, I got a cool black jacket. And then bam! Nuclear explosion mode, and it got all epic, and shit got real look. Shit got real. Here are the supplies you're gonna need. You're gonna need acetone, which removes the dye from the jacket. You need some gloves to protect your hands, paper towels so you can rub in the acetone, dirt to make the jacket look old, pillows to stuff inside the jacket, towels to stuff inside the sleeves of the jacket, rope so you can pull the jacket around, oil to lock in that dirt on the jacket's pores, and duct tape. So right now what we're gonna do is protect our zippers by putting duct tape on them. Why are we gonna do this? Because we're gonna beat the crap out of these jackets, and in the long run it's gonna be a good thing that we put this duct tape on the zippers, because replacing zippers on a leather jacket is a pain in the ass. I'm not a tailor, I'm not professional, but I'll tell you it's a pain in the ass and you don't want to deal with it later on. So you're gonna put it on the zipper, and you're gonna put it on the receiving end part of the zipper as well, because that's very important so that they can hug each other. So it's gonna look like this, and then that boom, bada bow bow, and your zipper's protected. And we go outside. Look for a concrete surface where you can rub your jacket onto. First we're gonna lay down the dirt on there. The concrete basically works as a big ginormous sandpaper. Now we're putting the dirt down so that while we're rubbing, the dirt goes into the jacket's pores. Before we do all that, we need to rub in the acetone. Dude, I got child-proof motherfucker. There you go. Put the acetone on the paper towel. Rub it on there. Rub it on there good. You'll notice that the dye actually comes off while you're rubbing it in. So you're gonna rub the jacket onto the concrete as hard as you can. And I did this for like 2 to 3 hours until I was actually happy with the jacket. So you're gonna go back and forth, and it's gonna be painstakingly annoying. So while you're doing it, always apply the acetone here and there to remove the dye while you're doing this action. Rubbing all this shit onto the jacket. That was a pain in the ass. My neighbors were watching me like I'm an idiot. Okay, so how it looks like now. It looks pretty badass, doesn't it? So I decided to wear the jacket and to give it that more natural look by making dirt snow angels. Bam! Dirt snow angel. And yeah, I felt like an idiot doing this, but I thought at the time that it was gonna do something because I was hitting a lot more of the jacket's areas. After a while, I just felt like an idiot, because look at me. Look at driving by and seeing a guy rubbing himself on the ground as he was in heat or some shit would be like, what the fuck is he doing? So if you want to do that, but I did it, and here we go, America. Basically gave up after that. I was like, no, screw this, I'm done. Introducing special guest, Jax the Bully. I told you, be creative, right? So I told him to pull my jacket, and this was the only time he pulled the jacket, once. And after that, he's like, nah bro, I'm gonna kill you, or I'm gonna poop on your couch when you leave the house. Not a good idea. The Jack's idea wasn't a good idea, so I decided to go on a road trip, find a place where there's more dirt and more ways for me to beat the crap out of my jacket. And here we go, road trip! If anybody's familiar with Philadelphia, there's this half pipe in FDR Park. I decided to go back and forth on there and basically rub myself onto the half pipe. The half pipe is known to have rust and dirt already all over it, so I thought at the time it was a great idea to just naturally drag myself onto the half pipe. It was a pain in the ass to go back and forth with this jacket on because it's hard. You can't really crunch down, you can't get any air or nothing. It prevented me from doing it, so I just kept on sliding back and forth, and after that I just got tired. By this time you can see that the jacket looks like it's worn and torn, but I wasn't really satisfied yet on how it looked. So right now I'm stuffing towels into the sleeves of the jacket to give the sleeves some volume, as well as putting a pillow on the main part of the jacket so that it gives it that whole body look. What we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna drag this jacket with my van, and you're gonna put the rope around the pillow, because if you put it on the jacket hook, it'll actually break off. So make sure to put that around the pillow. Before we drag the jacket, make sure to put acetone all over the jacket, just to give it that dab and remove the dye, and just because we're gonna beat it up. And bam! The jacket is prepped, ready to be pulled by the van. Alright, and then I connected to the van, and we're off! Da-da-da. This is actually the best way to distress a jacket, because it's not that hard to do. It also hit it in every angle, and it gave it that natural look, as if you were dragging a dead body across the desert. Just make sure to flip it, bam, so you got both sides. After that, I went straight gangster on it. Gah! Where's my money, bro? Where's my money? Give me my money. Give my money, bro. Where's my money? Yep. After that, went straight Olympic on it. I'm Hercules. I'm gonna make some dirt circles. And I fell. Yeah. Don't forget to flip it. Flip the jacket. And circles again. After all that, I was content with the jacket and how it got beat up, so I'm doing my final step, which is spraying it down with vegetable oil. What this does, it actually locks in the dirt on the jackets and the jacket's pores. While you're doing this, you can also throw down dirt and rub it in as hard as you can. Each jacket is different, so it's up to you how much vegetable oil you put on the jacket. I decided to also stand it up and go around it in a circle and do dabs here and there. And boom. Here's the end result of the jacket. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Here you go.